And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their A9 mini battery-powered IP camera. You can see from the size of this box that fits in my hand, it's a very tiny mini camera, and it even includes SD card support. Nothing to really show you, just the back, TF card, HD, internet, cloud, etc. Let's take it out of here and show you what comes in here. So here we have, look at that, that's it for the box. So you have nice little instruction guide. This should tell you everything that you need to know, as well as how to connect it to Wi-Fi, etc. The mobile app integration, all of that. Then we have a nice little mount. This has a little bit of double-sided tape on it where you could stick this somewhere, and then this part should just clip right to here. They include a micro USB cable to charge the camera, and then this is the actual mini camera. So you can see there's a micro SD card slot right on top. Got a little mode and on-off button. There is your micro USB port for charging it. Outside of that, this is the camera, a very small mini camera. And like I said, this would kind of magnetize to the back so that you could mount it somewhere if you wanted to. That'll do it for this A9 mini battery-powered IP camera. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.